In this video, we're going to delve into the architectural view and tab system of Versori AI. To begin, let's review our project. Here, we have an integration that links Shopify to QuickBooks. This setup includes two workflows, the first of which, when an order is created in Shopify, it creates an invoice in QuickBooks, and the second is a customer webhook trigger, which either creates or updates the customer in QuickBooks. Moving to the architectural view, we can see a more detailed explanation of the integration and workflows. The entry point is the Shopify e-commerce platform. The Shopify store communicates with the GraphQL admin API, which then connects to the integration layer created by Versori AI. From the integration layer, the process moves to QuickBooks Online, where it interacts with the REST API using OAuth 2 authentication. This culminates in the accounting system within QuickBooks Online. From the GraphQL API, there are two different flows, querying orders and querying customers. Versori AI has created an integration architecture that includes an order synchronizer, a data transformer, a customer synchronizer, a state manager, an error handler, and schedule services. The different lines represent the various events occurring within the integration. It's important to note that every integration built on Versori AI automatically generates an architectural diagram for a clear understanding of the process. Now let's explore the tabs. We'll be expanding these in the coming weeks and months, but for now, you can manage variables in your integrations. Variables come in handy when building an integration for embedded use cases. If you're a SaaS app or platform, you'd want to create one integration as a template. Embed it into your UI so all your customers can use that integration with just a few clicks of authentication. To ensure you cover all the different variables and their data structures, you would visit the Variables tab. All the variables here have been generated by AI and represent the different elements that may vary between your users. For example, company ID, whether webhooks have been enabled, the last customer timestamp, the last order to sync, and the sync batch size are all variables to consider. You have the option to remove these or add more fields as needed. Our next step involves the addition of webhooks. All integrations can operate on webhooks or polling triggers, depending on your preference. For example, this integration runs on a webhook, which means that every time an order is placed in Shopify, we subscribe to and process that order event, integrating the workflow into QuickBooks. To achieve this, you need to obtain your webhook URL from here and paste it into the webhook management section in Shopify. If you're using the integration embedded into your platform, you would use this specific webhook. Our final tab provides all the information related to your integration. If you ever need assistance from Versori customer service, you can reference this tab and your integration information to receive instant support. And there you have it, an architectural overview and a brief introduction to the tab system. Thank you.